Okay. So we are discussing question number 3 in chapter number 4. Cash basis of accounting and accrual basis of accounting. So let's understand this question. In the financial year 25-26, Shiva earned total revenue of 3,45,000, out of which 2,35,000 was received. Total revenue is how much, guys?
3,45,000, sir.
3,45,000. Out of that, revenue received is
2,35,000.
revenue received is 2,35,000. That means revenue not received will be the balance, right? 3,45,000 minus 2,35,000. So 2,35,000 is received and 1,10,000 is not received. Total expenses paid by him were 2,20,000. Total expenses is how much? 2,20,000. Okay. Out of which 10,000 related to 26-27. Expenses of 15,000 are still outstanding. Okay. Total expenses 2,20,000, out of which 10,000 relates to 26-27. So any expenses which is relating to next financial year, shall we consider under accrual system? Okay, total expenses includes 10,000 pertaining to financial year 26-27. We are calculating profits for which financial year, guys? For the financial year 25-26. Ascertain Shiva's income for 25-26 as per cash basis and accrual basis. Okay. So my total expense is 2,20,000, out of which 10,000 relates to 26-27. So expenses paid related to financial year 25-26 will be how much, guys? 2,20,000 minus 10,000. Okay, equal to, this will be 2,20,000 minus 10,000. These are all paid. There is one more information given in the question. Expenses of 15,000 are still outstanding. Expenses related to financial year 25-26 not paid. Outstanding means not paid. How much is this? This is 15,000. Okay. Now let us see cash basis of accounting and accrual basis of accounting. Okay. So in cash basis of accounting, let's concentrate on cash basis. Okay. Shiva earned total revenue of 3,45,000, out of which 2,35,000 was received. So revenue as per cash basis is how much? Revenue received is how much?
2,35,000.
2,35,000 is revenue received. Okay. Less expenses paid. Less expenses paid. My total expenses is 2,20,000. Expenses not paid is 15,000. Out of this total expenses, some expenses related to 26-27. When we do cash basis of accounting, we are never bothered about whether it is related to this year, last year, or future year. Clear? So what is that total I paid? Total I paid how much? 2,20,000. Total expenses paid is how much? 2,20,000. So less expenses paid will be 2,20,000. So my profit under cash basis, profit under cash basis will be 2,35,000 minus 2,20,000. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt, guys? Any doubt to anyone? No? Okay. Now let us see income. My total revenue received is 2 lakh. Total revenue is 3 lakh 45. Revenue received is 2 lakh 35. Revenue not received is 1 lakh 10. How much will be the revenue as per accrual? In case of accrual, are we bothered whether it is received or not received?
So 3,45,000.
Yes.
No, sir.
Are we concerned whether it is received or not received? We are not concerned.
No,
Whatever
sir.
is revenue pertaining to 25-26 will become my revenue. So my total revenue as per accrual basis will be how much? How much, guys? 3 lakh
3,45,000.
3 lakh 45,000 less expenses. How much is my total expenses, guys? 2 lakh 20,000. I paid out of 2 lakh 20,000. I paid 10,000 pertaining to next year. Next year expenses can I include in this year? In accrual basis.
Yes,
In
sir.
accrual basis, can I include next year's expenses in this year?
Yes, sir.
In accrual basis, can I include next year's expenses in this year? I will, in accrual basis, I can show only expenses for 12 months. Can I increase the number of months? Can I show next year's expenses in this year in accrual basis?
No, sir.
No, not possible. So any expenses with less expenses related to financial year 26-27. How much is that, guys? Minus 10,000. Sorry, my total expenses is how much? 2 lakh 20,000. 2 lakh 20,000. In this 2 lakh 20,000, total expenses. My total expenses 2 lakh 20,000 less expenses related to financial year 26-27. I will have to reduce minus 10,000 from my total expenses, and expenses paid related to expenses outstanding related to financial year 25-26. There are some expenses which I am yet to pay for 25-26. What I have to do? I have to outstanding expenses. What I shall do? I have to, come on, guys, outstanding expenses. What I shall do? In accrual system, even though expenses are not paid, the moment
Sir,
it
we
is
can
incurred,
add it.
we have to add outstanding, add outstanding expenses. I have to add outstanding expenses. So my total expense will become how much? Total expenses will become total expenses for financial year. Total
2,25,000.
expenses
sir.
for financial year 25-26 will be, add all these three, it will be 2 lakh 25. So now my profit or income for financial year 25-26 will be income minus expenses, revenue minus expenses will be equal to how much? 3 lakh 45 minus 2 lakh 25, which will be equal to 1 lakh 20,000. Any doubt? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in accrual basis, again, I am repeating the concept, guys. In accrual basis, expenses related to next year, can we show in current year? In accrual basis, expenses related to next year, expenses related to 26-27, can I show it in 25-26?
No, sir.
Not
at all.
possible. That is the reason I reduced 10,000 rupees, because it relates to, why? It relates to financial year 26-27. So we have to reduce it. Why I added outstanding expenses? Because in accrual basis, we calculate the expenses for 12 months. Whether we have paid or not, we have to calculate for 12 months. So even though it is outstanding, it has to be added, guys. Any doubt? Any doubt, guys? Clear?
No, sir. No, clear.
Okay. This is practical problem 3. Okay. Now
Fourth question, sir.
I will not do. You guys have to help me. Clear? If I keep doing it, okay, fine. Now, who is having a doubt in question number 4?
Sir, I completed it, but my answer is not accurate to the answer in the test.
Okay, no problem. That is why I am here. Okay, no problem. Anyone else having a doubt in question number 4?
Sir, I am also having the same problem. My answer is not matching with the answer which is in the book.
Okay. Now let us do it together. Okay. Practical problem 4. Okay, let me take practical problem 4. Okay, so this is the problem, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you see my screen, guys? Forget about the answer.
Yes,
First is expenses
sir.
paid is 1,80,000. Let us summarize the question first, guys. Expenses paid is how much? 1,80,000. Expenses paid in advance, not included in above. Expenses paid in advance, not included in above. 20,000. Now, my question to all of you is, expenses paid in advance indicates expenses pertaining to next year. Indicates expenses pertaining to next year. In accrual basis, shall we include expenses paid in advance or not?
No, sir.
No. Anyone else? All of you have to answer me. In accrual basis, expenses pertaining to next year or expenses paid in advance, shall we include in accrual basis?
if it is in next year, no, sir.
That is what is meant by advance, right? It is meant that expenses paid in advance means it is related to next year. So in accrual basis, it will not be included, but in cash basis, it will be expenses paid in advance. Expenses paid in advance. Okay, so I will put here accrual basis. I will put here accrual basis. I will put here cash basis. This 1,80,000 will come in cash basis also, in accrual basis also. Clear? Expenses paid in advance will come under cash basis or accrual basis. Where it will come?
Cash basis.
Because in bracket it is given not included above, not included above, not included above, it is given in brackets. So this 10,000 rupees will come. How much is this amount?
20,000. 20,000.
20,000. Sorry, not 10,000. This is 20,000. So this 20,000 will come in cash basis, but will not come in accrual basis. Clear? Not applicable. It will not come. Next item. Expenses not yet paid. Expenses not yet paid. Item by item you understand. Expenses not yet paid. Not yet paid means cash is not paid. But will it come in cash basis? Not yet paid.
No, sir.
It will not come. It will not come.
No, sir.
Here I will show how much. 10,000. Expenses not yet paid is 10,000. In accrual basis, it will be shown. Clear? Next line item. Income. So my expenses are over, guys. Expenses are over. Now I come to income. Okay, income should come in the top. So I'm changing the order now. Income received. Okay, income received. How much? 2,40,000. Income received 2,40,000. In cash basis also it will come. In accrual basis also it will come. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Income received in advance. Income, see, read the word carefully. income received in advance, included in income received, already included in 2,40,000. Income received in advance, included in income received. So we have to be careful here. So income received in advance, already included above is how much? What is the amount?
15,000.
15,000. Okay. Now tell me very carefully, guys. This income received in advance, in case of cash basis, I have to add all the thing, whether it is related to this year, future year, or past year. This is already included above. So should I include again one more time?
No, sir.
No, I shall
No,
not.
sir.
I shall not include. Okay. So here no treatment will be given to this item. Income received in advance already included above. In accrual basis, can I show income received pertaining to next year? Can I show in accrual basis? Can I show? In accrual basis, can I show an advance income related to next year?
No, sir.
No.
No,
So
sir.
what I have to do? I have to
No, sir.
reduce
Subtract.
15,000. I have to reduce. Why I have to reduce? Because it is already included. This is where you would have done a mistake. We have to read the language carefully. It is already included means we have to exclude now. Clear? Are you getting me, guys? Next line item. Income not yet received. If income is not yet received, in cash basis, we don't have to consider. Okay? Income not yet received is how much?
12,000.
12,000. In cash basis, should I consider?
No, sir. Yes,
No.
sir.
But in accrual basis, shall we consider? Yes, right?
Yes, sir.
So my total income will become how much? My total income is 2,37,000. And my total expenses is 1,90,000. So my profit, my income, this is accrual basis. Okay. So 2,37,000 minus 1,90,000. So it will be how much? It will be how much? 47,000. Okay. Now here, my total income is how much? 2,40,000. My total expenses is how much? 2 lakh rupees. So income under cash basis. Income under cash basis is how much? 2,40,000 minus okay, 2,40,000 minus 2 lakh. This is my answer, guys. Any doubt? Please take it down, guys. Please take it down. Okay, let me first check. Is it clear, guys? Anyone
Yes, sir.
having a doubt still?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
I think Siddharth was having doubt. Siddharth, now you are clear? Hello? Okay. Note it down, guys. Note it down. Okay. So this is my total income. This is my total expenses. Okay. My income is net income. This is called as net income. Net income. Net income is total income minus total expenses. Net income is Okay, so income under cash basis and income under accrual basis, guys. Okay, this is practical problem number 4. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Clear? So are you following how I am? See, I am talking to, for each and every sentence, I am just talking to myself. What I am doing? Income received, whether it's an income for this year or not, that is accrual. Income received in advance, it's already included. If it is already included, should I give any treatment under cash basis? I should not give any treatment under cash basis. But in accrual basis, can I show income received in advance? Can I show under accrual basis? If it is pertaining to next year, can I show it as income in accrual basis?
No, sir.
No. That is the reason. That is the reason I have deducted it. Income not yet received. In accrual basis, we are not concerned whether it is received or not received. If it is income pertaining to this year, we have to add. But in cash basis, if it is not received, means it should be nil. It should be nil. Wherever no is there, you can put it as nil. Clear? Any doubt, guys?
Sir, please explain the last step once again.
Which last step? This one, net
Sir,
income.
Yes, sir. This one.
Net income is nothing but how much is my total income? 2,40,000. How much is my total expenses? 2 lakh. So my income is 2,40,000. My expenses is 2 lakh. So my income will be 40,000.
Okay, sir. Clear.
Clear? Here in accrual basis, my income was 2,37,000. My expenses was 1,90,000. So my net income is how much? 47,000, guys.
Okay,
Any
sir.
doubt?
Thanks.
Okay. Guys, I will stop presenting for a second, guys. Are you all clear, guys?
Yes, sir. I made a
Aditya,
mistake.
you are clear?
I made a mistake in that advance, not included.
Yeah. Okay. So read the wordings carefully, guys. They have played a trick in this question. In expenses, they have mentioned not included. In income, they have mentioned included. Clear? That is the small change that they can do in the wordings. Okay. In expenses, they have mentioned not included in above. In income received in advance, they have already mentioned included in income received.
So,
Clear?
sir, should we minus that income received, included
You-
that in yes?
No. You have to stay with the concept. See, my only concept is whether it is related to this year or whether it is not related to this year. Okay. Included in above, excluded in above, those kind of discussions we don't do. That discussions happens in the school, not in my class. Okay, we stay with the concept. Clear? Any doubt in the concept? Cash means anything which is received in cash will come in this, will have to be included. In accrual system, whether I have paid or not, if it is related to this financial year, we have to include it. If it is related to next financial year, we have to exclude it. Clear? So this is concept. Plus minus, I don't discuss in my class. We only go with concepts. Clear? Any doubt, guys? Okay. Yeah, Sanjana.
Sir, if cash paid in advance means we have to add in the cash basis, and if income received in advance means we have to subtract in accrual basis.
Okay. See, don't go by this concept of adding and subtracting. Okay. Your first question was, what was the first question? Just now you asked, na? Two points. First, what was the first point?
Sir, if expense paid in advance,
Yeah, stop
it
here.
should be.
Yeah, stop here. Expenses paid in advance.
Yes, sir.
Expenses paid in advance. In case of cash basis, anything which is paid, right? We never
Yes,
check whether
sir.
it is pertaining to this year, current year, or future year. So
Yes, sir.
expenses paid in advance will be shown under cash basis. Any doubt to anyone?
No, sir.
In case of accrual, if it is paid in advance, means it is related to next year. Shall I show it as expenses?
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
That is why we don't show expenses paid in advance under accrual. Clear? That is
Yes,
the
sir.
concept.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Now,
you,
second question that you asked is
sir. If income received in advance, it should be
same
Yes, sir.
concept. Income received in advance means in case of cash, anything which is received last year, current year, future year, anything which is received is my income in cash basis. But in case of accrual, next year's income can I show in this year?
No, sir.
That is why we don't consider income received in advance.
Yes,
Clear?
sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Again, guys, we have to change our mindset. We should not remember it has to be added, it has to be deleted. We have to only remember the concept. Clear? Throughout our entire journey, the toughest of chapters also will be dealt only with concepts. Okay, I will not make you remember anything. You just have to stay with the concept. Clear? Any doubt? Clear? Let us move to the next. These are all related to yesterday's discussion. Let's move to today's discussion now. Clear? Let me share my screen again, guys. Good that you guys are coming up with questions. That means you are thinking. Okay, where did we stop last class? Now we stopped at illustration 3, right? Now we have to do illustration 4. If this illustration you can get it right along with me, then I believe your concepts will be, I can think that your concepts are clear. Okay, let us discuss it one by one together. Okay. Question number 4. Let me put it in the screen first. Illustration 4. Okay, now I will put a column here. Cash basis and accrual basis. Okay. Guys, always whatever I tell you to do, think in the same lines. Okay. It will start looking very easy for you. What we will do is, we will read one line and then decide in which column it will come, whether it will come under cash or it will come under accrual. Okay, each line we will analyze, and based on logic we will decide whether it will come under cash or it will come under accrual. Clear? Let's do it. Cash sales. Cash sales will come under where?
Cash
Cash,
basis.
Cash
Cash
basis.
basis. And also under accrual, right?
Cash basis.
Cash sales will come under cash
Cash basis.
basis. Is my
Cash
full screen visible to you guys?
yes, sir.
Okay, cash. Okay, cash sales will come under cash and also accrual. Credit sales.
Only under
Credit sales. Only in
Basis.
Only in accrual.
only in accrual. Fantastic, guys. Outstanding salary and wages. Outstanding salary and wages. Okay, I will do one thing. I will make this column a little shorter so that I can, sorry. Outstanding salary and wages. Okay. See, in case of outstanding salary and wages, it gets added to original salary. Outstanding salary will get added to original salary in case of accrual system. In case of cash basis, since it is not paid, it will not come under cash basis, right? Okay. So outstanding salary and wages. What we have to do? First, we have to find out salary and wages. Salary and wages. In that we have to add outstanding salary. Okay, so outstanding salary and wages, how much? 4,000 rupees will be added under accrual basis. Clear? Any doubt, guys? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so we have discussed outstanding salary. We have discussed outstanding salary also. Next is insurance paid in advance. Okay, see, whenever we get outstanding or paid in advance, we have to first go to the main expenses. Main expenses will be insurance. Advance or outstanding is only additional transaction for that original expense. Okay, insurance expenses. Insurance paid in advance. In case of accrual system, in case of cash system, we are not bothered whether it is pertaining to this year. Insurance paid in advance. Okay. In case of cash basis, we are not bothered whether it is paid in advance related to this year, current year, or future year. What we have to do? We have to treat it as an expense. Clear? In case of accrual, what we have to do? If there is an insurance expense, we should not consider any insurance paid in advance. We should not consider. Clear? Insurance paid in advance, we should not consider. Okay, so we will reduce minus 2,500. Income received, excluding income received in advance. Sorry, outstanding electricity expenses. There is one more expenses. There will be electricity expenses. Okay, there will be electricity expenses, and there is an outstanding electricity expenses. So what we have to do? Outstanding electricity expenses. See, if it is outstanding, it will not come in cash basis, but we have to add. We have to add what? We have to add outstanding electricity expenses. We have to reduce insurance paid in advance. Here also we have to add outstanding salary. Any doubt? In cash basis, outstanding expenses will not come. Clear? In cash basis, outstanding expenses will not come. Clear? Only in accrual basis it will be coming. So we have completed outstanding also. Income received, excluding income received in advance. Income received is how much? 5,000. Okay. Income received. All items of income and revenue I write in the top. Income received. Income received is how much? 5,000. Here also it will come as 5,000. Income received in advance. Income received in advance. Guys,
1,000.
give me a moment, guys. I'm getting one call.
1,000, sir.
Yeah. Give me a moment. Sorry, guys, I got a call. Pranav, what is your ping actually?
What's that?
What
What's that? Sir?
Net is stuck.
what is the ping that you have done?
No, sir. Nothing.
Hmm?
Yes. Sorry, sir.
Okay, please don't
Sorry, sir.
disturb the class and
no,
don't
no.
use
Okay,
such
sir.
words also.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, sir.
So income received, excluding income received in advance. Okay. So we were discussing about income received, 5,000. Income received in advance. There is one more item called add income received in advance. Where we will add income received in advance, we will add under cash basis. Okay. We will add under cash basis. Okay. Do we have to give any treatment under accrual basis? We should not give any treatment under accrual basis because my income received is excluding income received from advance. If it is included in income received from advance, then I will deduct it. But since it is already excluded, then I will not give any treatment for income received in advance. Okay. Next is what? Income earned but not received. Income earned but not. If it is not received in cash basis, whether it will come.
Sir, earned spelling is not that, sir.
Sorry.
Earned
that
spelling is not that, not ERA and ED.
That is fine. That is fine. When you type, at times it happens. Okay. You can ignore the typos, guys, because I am typing. It may so happen that I may have a typo. So
Yeah,
income,
3,000, sir. The income earned but not received.
yes, income earned but not received. If it is not received, will it come under cash basis? Not
sir.
received, will it come under cash basis?
No, sir.
No.
No,
But
sir.
in accrual basis, we have to show this 3,000 rupees as income.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Cash purchases. Another item, expenses, cash purchases. Cash purchases, how much? 2,75,000. It will come under accrual basis also. It will come under cash basis also. Credit purchases. Credit purchases, will it come under cash basis? Credit purchases, will it come under cash basis, guys?
No, sir.
It will not come. It will not come. So it will come under
Accrual basis.
Accrual basis. Salary and wages paid. See, salary and wages paid. How much?
It is in
How much is
44,000, sir.
44,000. No? 44,000. It will come under cash basis also, and it will come under accrual basis also. If you see under accrual basis, we have already added outstanding because outstanding salary already came before. So we have already added outstanding of 4,000 rupees. So salary, add outstanding. My total expenses under accrual will also include outstanding salary. Am I clear, guys? Electricity expenses paid. Electricity expenses paid is 11,000. It will come under cash basis also. It will come under accrual basis also. And if you see in electricity expenses also, I have added outstanding expenses because it already came before. Clear? Insurance expenses paid, including prepaid. Including prepaid, we have insurance expense paid, including prepaid is how much? 10,000. Okay. So my total expenses which is paid is my total expenses which is paid is 10,000. Now this 2,500 is already included or excluded? Including prepaid it is given. So I will not include again. Okay. So here also it will come 10,000. 10,000. And I have to exclude prepaid. Whatever is 2,500, I have to exclude my prepaid expenses. Insurance, understand again, guys. insurance expenses paid is how much? 10,000. This 10,000 includes an advance of 2,500. This includes an advance of 2,500. So in accrual basis, shall I consider that advance or I have to remove that advance? In accrual basis, I have to consider or remove the advance? Insurance 10,000 is my total expenses and 2,500 insurance paid in advance, or we call it as prepaid. We have to remove it. Prepaid, we have to remove it. This is under accrual basis. So each of my line items are known. So how much is my, okay. So in accrual basis, how much is my sales? Cash and credit is 7 lakhs. In cash basis, it is how much? 5 lakhs. Income received in advance,
6,000.
6,000. Okay. Here it is how much? 8,000.
8,000.
8,000. So this is the total column, guys. This is the total column. Expenses, I will show it as negative. My salary is how much? Salary is how much? 44,000. I will put it as negative so that it will become easy for me to add everything. Insurance is how much?
10,000.
Insurance is how much? 10,000. I will put it as minus 10,000.
Okay.
Electricity expenses is how much? 11,000. I will put it as minus 7,000.
Okay.
Purchases is how much?
Minus 2,75,000.
Minus 2,75,000. Okay. So my total net income under cash basis is how much? This is my net income under cash basis. It is coming to 1,66,000. Any doubt, guys? Okay, this is under cash basis. Similarly, net income under accrual basis. We will just total everything. Okay. So sales I have totaled. Outstanding salary. Salary is how much? 48,000. I will put it as negative so that I can add up easily. Insurance is how much? 7,500. I will put it as negative.
Oh, minus 7,500.
Minus 7,500. Very good. Electricity expenses is how much?
Minus 12,000, sir.
Minus 12,000. Fantastic, guys. And purchases is how much? 4 lakh. I will put it as minus 4 lakhs.
Minus 4 lakhs.
4 lakh. So my total under accrual basis is how much? It is 2,40,500. Net income under accrual basis is how much? 2,40,500. Any doubt? Okay. So what I did is each and every line item wise I read it and then decided whether it will come under cash basis or it will come under accrual basis. Cash basis, anything which is received or paid will come under cash. In accrual basis, only thing that we have to see is whether it's pertaining to this year. If it is pertaining to this year, we have to include. If it is not pertaining to this year, we should not include. Clear? Any doubt in the concept? Okay.
No, sir.
Presentation. See the TS Grewal presentation now, guys. Beautiful presentation. So what they have done is same thing what I did. They did first all the income they have added. Revenue is how much? 5 lakhs. Okay, this is cash basis. When cash basis of accounting is followed, revenue 5 lakhs, add income received and income received in advance. So my total income 5 lakh is my sales and my income received is 6,000. My total income received will be, total revenue will be 5,06,000. Similarly, I have 4 expenses. One is purchases, another is wages, another is electricity, another is insurance. My total expenses is 3,40,000. So 5,06,000 minus 3,46,000 is 1,66,000. This is the kind of presentation you have to follow. Clear? Any doubt? Similarly, in accrual basis, always write each and every expenses. Purchases, salary means outstanding also has to be added. Electricity means outstanding also has to be added. Prepaid means it has to be deducted. Outstanding will get added, prepaid will get deducted for your academic purposes. Prepaid means pertaining to next year. When we do accrual, prepaid means pertaining to next year has to be deducted. When we do accrual, outstanding means it is already incurred but not paid. It is pertaining to this year, so we have to add back. Clear? So the base expense is 2,75,000. Cash expense, cash purchases, credit purchase 1,25,000. Similarly, salary is 44,000. Outstanding is 4,000. My total salary is 48,000. Electricity is 11,000 plus outstanding is 1,000. Total is 12,000. Like that. My total expenses is 4,67,000. My total revenue is 7,08,000. My profit is A minus B 2,40,500. Any doubt in the presentation of TS Gravel?
No, sir. No.
Okay. Can we follow the TS Gravel presentation, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
If
sir.
you have to score maximum, presentation is very important. You understand the concept from me. Presentation, we will try to follow TS Gravel presentation. My presentation, if you do it like this also, it will be absolutely fine. But the presentation makes a lot of difference standard 11 and 12. In fact, in professional courses also makes a lot of difference. You may get the right answer, but presentation is also very important. Clear? Any doubt? No? Okay. So now this chapter is over. Question number 4 will be your homework now. This question will be your homework. Can you complete it tomorrow? Question number 4. It will be very easy. The
Yes,
illustration that we discussed was more comprehensive than this question. This question is very easy. Okay. So not only question number 4, illustration 4 also that we discussed, try to do it on your own. When you try to do it on your own, you will have a lot of, don't read illustrations, guys. Don't read illustrations. Try to solve illustration like how we solved it in front of you. Try to solve it. And when you solve it, you will have some doubts. Automatically your doubts get cleared. Don't get into a habit of reading illustrations. Solve illustrations, guys. Clear? So illustration 4 and question number 4 is your homework, guys. Illustration 4 and question number 4 both are homework. Clear? Okay.